The living world is connected by a vast kingdom of life. We are only just beginning to discover. Fungi are so much more than mushrooms.
Everywhere you look, there are stories unfolding around fungi. Connecting all life in the forest, but of all the fungal species on Earth, you've only described about 5%.
As you do research, you're seeing things that no one's ever seen before.
Fungi have the chemical arsenal to break down plastic.
Sounds way far out, but my long-term dream would be able to actually grow organs using psyllium.
Yet we risk losing entire branches of the tree of life to extinction.
We're burning the library, a library of different ways to rise to the challenge of living.
If fungi have taught us anything, it's that those who can adapt survive. So how might we unravel their secrets to survive the radical change of our own times?